Go further. Now go back and go again. Go. It's a discipline. Go further. It's pride. Now go back. And passion. And go again. In movement. Go. It's hours. Go further. Days. Now go back. Months. And go again. Years. Where you go your own way. Go further towards your goals. Then go back to your past hopes. And go again to make them your future.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Go work more.
My hometown, a place where fine watchmaking has become a way of life. Almost 50 years of evolution are stored here, ready to help crafting the future of watchmaking. Right from the start, I have been constantly evolving and pushing technical boundaries to shape my own world vision. Each of my parts is designed to fulfill a specific task in an extremely thorough way. Taking cues from my predecessors, I have adopted a brand new face while remaining a member of the family that has forged my worldwide reputation. A contrasting 3 o'clock minutes counter, an open case back to see my heart beating. So, here I am, the Zenith Primero Defy 21. Precise to the nearest 1/100th of a second, I have set a new milestone in mechanical watchmaking. My 2 independently operating escapements enable me to combine performance and endurance. More precise and forward-looking. El Primero Defy 21.